Ever wondered how a tool as essential as the drill press came to be? This machine, found in workshops worldwide, has a story that stretches back centuries, filled with ingenuity, grit, and a touch of genius. Stick around to uncover the surprising origins of the drill press and why it is still a game-changer today. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, we are diving into the fascinating history of the drill press, a tool that has shaped industries, sparked innovations, and powered countless creations. From its humble beginnings to its modern-day mastery, this is the story of how the drill press became a workshop legend. Let us get started. The drill press story begins long before electricity or even steam power. Humans have been drilling holes for thousands of years using primitive tools like bow drills, which date back to ancient Egypt around 3000 BCE. These early devices relied on a cord wrapped around a stick, pulled back and forth to spin a drill bit. It was effective for wood and soft stone, but it was slow and physically demanding. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and we see the first hints of a drill press-like machine. Blacksmiths and carpenters used hand-cranked augers and brace drills, but these still required significant manual effort. The real breakthrough came in the 13th century with the invention of the pole lathe, a foot-powered device that could spin a workpiece against a cutting tool. While not a drill press in the modern sense, it introduced the idea of mechanized rotation, a key concept for what was to come. By the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution was brewing, and the need for precision in manufacturing skyrocketed. Early drill presses, often called boring machines, emerged in Europe. These were large, heavy contraptions powered by water wheels or human muscle. They used a vertical spindle to hold a drill bit, which could be lowered into a fixed workpiece. The design was crude, but it laid the groundwork for modern drill presses. The 19th century was a turning point for the drill press. With the rise of steam power, machines became more powerful and versatile. In 1835, American inventor Isaac Singer, not yet famous for sewing machines, patented an early drill press design that used a geared mechanism to control the spindle-less movement. This allowed for greater precision and ease of use, making it a hit in small workshops. By the late 1800s, electricity entered the scene, and drill presses got a major upgrade. Electric motors replaced hand cranks and steam engines, allowing for faster, more consistent drilling. Companies like Black & Decker, founded in 1910, began producing compact, affordable drill presses that brought the tool into homes and small businesses. The introduction of variable speed controls and adjustable tables further refined the machine, making it indispensable for metalworking, woodworking, and more. The 20th century saw drill presses become more specialized. Radial drill presses with their rotating arms allowed for drilling at multiple angles, while CNC drill presses introduced automation in the 1970s. Today, modern drill presses combine digital precision with rugged durability, capable of handling everything from delicate jewelry to heavy industrial parts. The drill press is more than just a tool. It is a symbol of human progress. During the Industrial Revolution, it helped build the machines that powered factories, ships, and railways. In the 20th century, it became a staple in the DIY movement, empowering hobbyists to create furniture, art, and even custom cars. Its precision and reliability made it a trusted companion in fields as diverse as aerospace, construction, and jewelry making. The drill press also has a place in popular culture. It is a fixture in makerspaces and YouTube DIY channels, where creators showcase its versatility in projects ranging from steampunk sculptures to home renovations. Its distinctive silhouette, tall, sturdy, and purposeful, has made it an icon of craftsmanship and ingenuity. Did you know the drill press was once used to make musical instruments? In the 19th century, luthiers used early drill presses to bore precise holes in guitar bodies and wind instruments, ensuring perfect sound quality. Here is another surprising tidbit. The drill press played a role in the Apollo missions. NASA engineers used high-precision drill presses to create components for the lunar lander, proving that this humble tool could reach for the stars. And one more, the world's largest drill press, built by the American company Ingersoll Rand in the 1950s, stood over 30 feet tall and could drill holes through steel plates thicker than a car. It was a marvel of engineering that showcased the drill press's raw power. The drill press is a testament to human ingenuity, evolving from ancient bow drills to the high-tech machines of today. Its journey reflects our relentless drive to create, build, and innovate. Whether in a dusty workshop or a cutting-edge factory, the drill press remains a cornerstone of craftsmanship, proving that even the simplest tools can have a profound impact. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the drill press, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow makers. Got a favorite drill press project or story? Drop it in the comments below. We would love to hear it. And do not forget to subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects that shape our world. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the origins of the drill press. Stay curious, keep creating, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, this is Objectified, signing off.